Hi, my name is Alex, and I used to have a big problem with time management. I was always late, forgot important tasks, and felt stressed every day. I often rushed to finish things at the last minute, which made me feel tired and upset. My schoolwork, hobbies, and free time were all a mess because I didn't know how to manage my time. One day, I realized I needed to change. I decided to learn how to manage my time better. And it made my life so much easier. The first thing I did was make a schedule. I sat down with a notebook and wrote down all the things I needed to do. For example, I wrote when to wake up, go to school, study, and help my parents. I also planned time for fun activities, like playing football or watching movies. Every evening, I checked my schedule to see what I had done and what I needed to do the next day. The second thing I learned was to set priorities. This means doing the most important tasks first. Before, I would play video games or watch TV and forget about my homework. Now, if I have homework, I do it right after school. Once I finish the important tasks, I can relax and enjoy my free time without feeling guilty or worried. I also started using a timer when I study. I learned about a method called the Pomodoro technique. I set a timer for 25 minutes and focus only on my work during that time. After 25 minutes, I take a 5-minute break to stretch, drink water, or relax. This method helped me stay focused and finish my work faster. Another thing that helped me was to stop procrastinating. Procrastination was my biggest problem. I always said, "I'll do it later," but later never came. For example, if my teacher gave me a project due in 2 weeks, I used to wait until the night before to start it. Now, I begin working on it right away, little by little, until it's finished. Starting early makes the work easier and less stressful. I also learned to say no to distractions. For example, my friends sometimes invite me to play games when I have something important to do. I've learned to say, "Let's play later after I finish my homework." This way, I stay focused on my priorities. Finally, I made sure to plan time for rest and hobbies. Time management doesn't mean working all the time. It also means making time for yourself. I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and playing football. Having a balance between work and fun helps me feel happy and refreshed. Now, my life is much better. I feel more organized. I finish my tasks on time. And I have more free time to do the things I enjoy. Time management isn't easy at first. But it's worth it. If I can do it, you can too. That's the end of the story how I learned time management for today. Now, I'll ask you 3 questions to see if you understand. 1. How did Alex use a timer to stay focused while studying? 2. What did Alex do to stop procrastinating? 3. Why did Alex include rest and hobbies in the schedule? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for a free PDF of today's story and vocabulary. Download it to support your learning. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with another interesting topic to help you improve your skills.